Wow, can you believe you're already done with Module 12? And we were working on Chapter 17 this week. There was a lot of information. That's why I did the lecture a little bit differently this week, because there's a ton of information and just wanted to make sure that it was visually organized and also that we could manage it well. So we are going to talk about summing it up now. So for Chapter 17, we were talking about the immunological system medications. The immune system functions to maintain health by blocking or fighting foreign invaders, and medications are used to support or inhibit the immune response depending on the patient's condition. When the immune system is overstimulated by conditions such as allergies or autoimmune disorders, anti-inflammatory medications are used to suppress the immune system. Anti-inflammatory medications shut off or reduce the body's inflammatory response to treat inflammation, autoimmune disorders, and allergies. The 5 categories of anti-inflammatory medications are antihistamines, glucocorticoids, nasal decongestants, NSAIDs, and immunosuppressants. Anti-infective agents assist in fighting infections and include antibiotics, antitoxins, antifungals, antivirals, and antiparasitics. Viruses are smaller than other microorganisms and insert the genetic material into the host to reproduce. Vaccines assist in preventing infections. The 2 types of immunity are natural and adaptive or acquired. Natural immunity is the ability for humans to have a resistance to infection through normal body functions. And acquired immunity is produced through vaccines or when antibodies from a donor are directly given to a patient. Malignant cancerous tumors spread as non-functional tissue that compete with healthy tissue for blood and nutrient supply. Chemotherapy usually consists of a combination of several anti-neoplastic and cytotoxic medications. Educating patients and their families about immunological system medications and their possible complications will ensure safety for all, the health professional, the patient, and the family. And just like with anything that we discuss in both of our classes, both Allied Health 3 and 4 this semester, patient education is truly key. Again, we have patients that come in and they are fearful, they don't understand, they don't feel good, especially going back to talking about cancer and chemotherapy. We already know that the effects of that are going to cause them not to feel well. And so it's very important to use our communication skills and our patient education skills to work with our patients and help them to understand the medications that are involved. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.